What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mini Mobile ATM before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Mini Mobile ATM works. What is Mini Mobile ATM? Mini Mobile ATM is an innovative online training program designed for individuals looking to start or boost their online income through affiliate marketing. It serves as an all-in-one resource, offering a robust framework to navigate the complexities of digital marketing and product creation. With its user-friendly interface and engaging content, Mini Mobile ATM demystifies the technical aspects of online business, empowering users to become proficient marketers regardless of their experience level. This program organizes its content into easily digestible modules, each addressing crucial concepts in affiliate marketing, content creation, and traffic generation. Users will benefit from practical resources, including templates, performance tracking tools, and a Viral Leads Spreadsheet. The focus on automation and efficiency sets Mini Mobile ATM apart from other training programs, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals striving to maximize their time and earnings. Furthermore, the community aspect of Mini Mobile ATM fosters a supportive environment, allowing users to network with like-minded peers and gain insights from experienced marketers. By harnessing the power of online education, Mini Mobile ATM equips its members with the tools and techniques necessary not just to survive, but to thrive in today's competitive digital economy. How does Mini Mobile ATM work? Mini Mobile ATM operates on a straightforward and practical model that combines training, resources, and community support to empower users. Once you enroll, you'll gain access to a comprehensive members area filled with instructional materials designed to guide you through every step of the affiliate marketing journey. The program begins with foundational training, helping you understand the principles of affiliate marketing and how to create compelling content that drives traffic to your offers. The platform utilizes a step-by-step approach, allowing you to progress at your own pace while building your knowledge and skills. One of the key features of Mini Mobile ATM is its Viral Leads Spreadsheet, which provides users with regularly updated niche-specific leads. This invaluable resource takes the guesswork out of finding potential customers, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, converting leads into sales. Automation tools within the program streamline your marketing efforts, saving you time and increasing your efficiency. Performance tracking dashboards allow you to monitor your progress and optimize your strategies accurately. Combining these elements creates a holistic learning experience that prepares you to launch your online business and equips you to manage and grow it effectively. By leveraging the comprehensive resources available through Mini Mobile ATM, you can unlock your potential and pave the way for long-term success in the digital marketplace.